I feel so bright, I feel so gifted, I feel so high, I feel so lifted. By my side is where you're sitting, in my life is where you fit in, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome in this new vlog. I hope that all of you are doing great. So in this vlog, I will do something a little different than what I normally do. So if you guys, have been watching other of my vlogs, well, you know that I normally vlog, the first part of the day, then I edit the vlog and I like to post it the same day. So today I will do something a little different. So if you guys remember in the last vlog, so it was on Monday, I think, I talked about the fact that we would get a lot of news and a lot of volatility on the market on Wednesday and Thursday morning. So we have a lot of news that are coming out, a lot of important numbers that will be released, and because of that, well, the market is likely to move a lot. So I want to vlog these 2 days. So what I will do, I will basically do one vlog for these 2 days. So I will vlog today, and I will also vlog tomorrow morning, and I will post the video basically on Thursday afternoon. So that's basically the little plan that I have. So as I said, the markets will move a lot, so it will be very interesting. I will try to catch some opportunities if I get nice setups, or I will try to just manage my positions because, well, as you guys know and as you guys saw in the last vlog, I already have a lot of trades going on, so I will have to manage those positions according to what happened on the market. So I think it will be an exciting day. I said I was not sure if I was going to vlog, but I decided to make a vlog just to try to bring you guys along with me and show you, the behind the scenes of my trading, just document the whole thing as always. I think it could be very, very interesting. Okay guys, so just to quickly update you because the news is in about 1 minute 30 seconds. So here are the positions that I have. The only thing that really changed since Monday is the euro trade. If you guys remember, I had a euro trade. I decided to close that trade at break even, so that's the only difference. But for the other trades, I still have the same trade. So AUDN, EURN, NZD/USD, and here I have the S&P, and I have other charts after that I will be looking for. So now in about 1 minute we have CAD news, and I maybe want to take a trade on that, so I will see how that goes, but that's what I'm looking for now. So let's get right into it. Let's start the day focus and let's see what we get with this first important news. Okay guys, the news just dropped. Let's see what we have. Okay, so better results than expected. The market is pushing down a little bit. It's not moving that aggressive for now. We will see if it gains momentum later, because sometimes that's what happens, with the news. The results drop and the market just react a little bit later and we see momentum, but like 15 minutes later around that. So that's what we get sometimes on the market. Let's see if it does that right now, but the market seems to not react that much on the news. Pretty slow news event. Also guys, if it's not already done, make sure you leave a like under the video. I forgot to mention it, but I always appreciate it and that means a lot to me, just to keep going and show you guys, well, more videos. So the news didn't really move the market a lot, pretty slow actually. So the next important news event will be at 2 p.m. today. So we have the interest rate. As you guys know, interest rate with the Fed, it's always really volatile news. And then we have the press conference after that. So this will be probably actually the most important news of the day. And later in the night, we also have other news on NZD. And I have a trade, as you guys saw, on NZD. So this will be important as well. On AUD, I might take a trade on that as well. I'm looking at the setup that is looking good for now, so maybe I will get a trade on that as well. And later in the night, I think around 2 p.m, the next morning, basically we have some news on the GBP, and then we have, no, not on GBP, on the yen, sorry, and then later the next morning we also have a lot of news on the GBP. So that's basically the overall plan of the day, a lot of news as I said. So yeah, I'll just catch you guys back when something happens, or at 2 p.m. when we have the Fed news. Alright, welcome back guys. So it's now 1:45 p.m. The Fed news is in 15 minutes, so I'll go back in the trading room. Nothing really much happened since this morning. The market has been very slow, and it's normal, you know, because everyone is waiting for not only this news but even the ones after that. So it's normal, like there's no big trade or no big orders that are coming in the market. Everyone is just waiting for the numbers to go out. So because of that and because of the amount of news that we have, as I said, I think that the markets will be very volatile, so it will be interesting to follow and to see. Personally, there's not really much setup that I'm interested in for the moment. I'm watching few pairs that I may, you know, eventually become interested depending on how it moves when the news drop, but I think that I will mainly manage the positions that I already have. Hopefully the news goes in my direction. Of course, it would be better than a reversal, but I mean, both are possible at this point because, you know, some people think that the Fed will cut the rate, some people think that it will not because of the positive news that we got recently in the US. So, you know, there's a lot of different possibilities of what the Fed could do and what they could say in the conference. So there's a lot of uncertainty right now in the market. I've already talked about this, you know, in other videos, but the markets are very not certain right now. Basically, like, you know, a lot of questioning, a lot of different possibilities, a lot of different ways it could go. So, you know, that's basically the situation right now. So it makes trading a little harder, but at the same time, it is still possible to, you know, have good results in your trading if you actually know how to handle those situations. So I'll go in the trading room, catch you guys back there when the news drop. Okay guys, so 3 minutes remaining before the interest rate decision. We will see how that moves the market. As I said, many different possibilities. So at this point, it's just waiting and managing the trades that matter. We are probably about 30 seconds away, so let's see what happens. Okay, so they did cut the rate as I was expecting. Right now, surprisingly, there's not any like big reaction. The market is actually pretty slow. I mean, there's a little movement, but like it's not really aggressive. So we will wait because sometimes, as I said, the reaction comes in a little later. So we need to be patient with that. We also have the interest rate, I mean the Fed conference after that. So that's will be very important as well to see if it moves the market more or not. But for now, it's pretty slow. So I'm just waiting to see how it will develop. Okay guys, so we're getting some movement right now on right here we have NZD USD. It's pushing down and I'm selling it, if you guys remember, so that's good. We also have the S&P pushing down a little bit, and all the, you know, USD pair are going down a little bit. It's not really moving fast right now, a little slow, so everyone is probably waiting for the conference that will start in about 13 minutes. So we will see what they say there. It could move the market even more than the interest rate decision in itself. You know, it depends on what they say and what people get out of it, but that's basically what is going on for now. Some movement, not really much volatility, so waiting to see what will happen after that.
Business investment and exports have weakened amid falling manufacturing output. The main reasons.
So the conference is now over. It is still pushing down on the USD, so that is good for me. As you guys can see, the trade is going very well. So overall, pretty nice for now. So the next important news for me will be at 6:45 tonight. Alright guys, so it's now 6:30 p.m. I just took a shower earlier and now I came back in the trading room because, as I said, we have important news on the NZD in 15 minutes. And as you guys previously saw, I have a trade running on NZD USD. It's about around the same level as it was before when the Fed released the interest rate decision. Nothing really moved since then, but now with the news, I think it will create a lot of volatility. So we will see in 15 minutes if it moves the market in my direction or not in my direction. As of now, I can see both of these two possibilities, and both of them could be good because even if it moves against me, I still think that after that it would go back in my direction unless I see a change in the structure. So that's basically the idea. So now I will get ready for this news and see what happens. Okay guys, news is in 1 minute. I put some classical music as always. I don't know if you guys can hear it. So let's be focused and see how that goes. Alright, so the news just dropped about 5 minutes ago. So not much reaction. It's pulling back a little against me, but as I said, that's nothing to scare me about or to worry about, because I still like the overall setup unless I see a change in the structure. So yeah, going a little against me right now, but you know, nothing really big. So I think that it is pretty much it for this trading day. Now, as I said, there is also a news later today at 9:30 p.m. and a news on the yen much later as well during the night. But I will not vlog this simply because I will be sleeping. If you guys follow me on Instagram, well, you know that I wake up pretty early in the morning. Normally I wake up, you know, either at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. It depends, you know, on what I have to do during the day, but I wake up usually pretty early. So I go to sleep early as well. So I will not be in front of the charts during the AUD news, but I don't really care. I don't have any AUD trades right now, so I'm not looking to trade this news. So that's basically the idea. So as I said, this was the first day of this vlog, and I will catch you guys back tomorrow. Alright, what's up guys? I just woke up not long ago and ate my breakfast. It's currently 6:40 a.m. I don't have much time because the news is at 7 a.m. so I will prepare my charts, see if I want to take any trades. You will see as well that a lot of things actually changed since yesterday. I will show you guys that right after, but for now let's go on the charts and prepare for the news. Alright guys, so I just finished preparing my chart. So this morning we have the interest rate for the GBP, which is, you know, a relatively important news. It's similar than the Fed that we got yesterday. So this could drive the market and move a lot. So I will continue looking at the charts, doing some scenarios in my mind to see if I can get any trade or not. But yeah, so that's basically what we have. We also have a news later on the USD at 8:30. Now I will show you guys what has changed in my positions since yesterday. Okay guys, so here are the positions that I have. So the 2 yen trades, same one, and here we have NZD, USD and Euro AUD. So NZD USD, as you guys can see, it is still nicely going down, right? Pushing down, and we're not very far from my target, so that is pretty nice. We might reach the target today, or you know, later this week, maybe next week as well, depending on how fast it goes, but overall it's looking pretty good. And Euro AUD trade is my new trade that I took yesterday night. So I know that I said that I was not going to trade the news, but I decided to actually trade it because I had a nice setup. So I'm in a buy from somewhere around those levels right here. So it is going pretty well, as you guys can see. The trade is already in a nice profit. So you know, it's pretty funny how it happened. I was basically watching a video on this screen, and I had, well, my charts on the other screen as I always do, and I saw the Euro AUD setup, and at first I didn't notice that the setup was there, but then I just like took a look at it and I was like, oh, there's actually a setup here, there's actually a lot of potential that I can trade. And I remembered, you know, my own weekly review, my forecast that I made, and it was actually playing according to that. So I saw the setup and I decided to trade it after that because, well, we got the confirmation of the setup that I was watching, and because of that, well, I decided to take a trade. And so that's basically what happened. Overall, as I said, the trade is going very well already, in a nice profit. So pretty glad that I took this trade. I did follow my plan, followed everything, so I just executed as I should have, and it played out very nicely. This is a mid-term trade, I would say, not really long-term, but not short-term as well, and there's a lot of potential to the upside. So if we actually make the move that I think we're making, this could be a very good trade. So as always, I'll keep you guys updated, but that's it for now. So let's be focused and wait for the news. Okay guys, so it's now 8:30. You see here we have the reaction of the news on the GBP, so it didn't really move the market. No reaction, unchanged interest rate, so that's basically what happened, nothing much. In 2 minutes we have some news on the USD, but I really don't think that it will impact the market. We will see if it does, but I really don't think so. So in 2 minutes we might see some movement. Also guys, check this out, we have a very beautiful day here today in Quebec. And you will see as well what I mean when I say that the weather in Quebec can change very, very fast in the next vlogs, because sometimes it can be very nice like that, but like in a matter of days, well, it can become really shitty pretty fast actually. And you know, we are approaching October, so it will probably happen not very far from today. So that's basically the idea, and that's why we are enjoying this weather. Alright guys, so as you can see, the news just dropped, but as planned, it didn't really move the market, right? You can see here we don't have any reaction on the news. Check this out, guys. Beautiful day once again here in Quebec. So overall, now the last big news of the day is over. We got the interest rate this morning on the GBP, some numbers right now on the USD, but it's not really moving as I just showed you guys. And there is no other big news for this week. The only one that could move the market is a retail sell on Friday for the CAD, but you know, it's not a huge news that will really drive the market. So pretty much all the volatility I think for this week is gone. I was expecting some more movement, honestly. It didn't move that much. I thought it wouldn't move more, but hey, we still got some volatility. And for my trades, you know, just to recap this big vlog, very, very well, right? Like you guys saw that I have the same positions as I had before that are going very, very well, still pushing in my direction, for example on NZD USD, so that is very nice for that. And after that we also have a new trade on Euro AUD, as I showed you guys, that is also already in a very, very nice profit. So overall, recap of the week, actually, well, that was a very, very successful week. We still have tomorrow, so I will not say that, you know, too loud, but overall, you know, the trades are going very, very well, and I'm happy with the way that I managed my positions. And yeah, just, you know, went through this day that was a little more volatile than usual. So that's basically the idea. I hope you guys enjoyed this longer vlog. Normally, you know, the vlogs, I like to keep them short, just one day, but now today I decided to do 2 days in a row because we had a lot of news, so I thought that it would be more interesting to show you guys everything in one single video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please share it around. I would truly appreciate it. I want this message to be spread around, you know, the truth of what it is to be a trader. You know, that like there's so many scammers out there, there's so many fake people. So I'm doing these videos in the first place just to show you guys really like what is it to be a full-time trader, my mindset, my life, and just bring you guys along with me documenting the process. You know, that's always the main idea that I have with my vlogs. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like under it. I would truly appreciate it, and you can also share the video, as I said. And yeah, so on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.